It occurred to me while working on another project that was hooked to electricity that some people might not know how to test to make sure that the projects they're working on are safe. I'm what they call an electronic technician, and I learned a long time ago that anyone who assumes around electricity is usually sorry. And if it's voltage over 9 volts at 500 milliamps, you can also be dead. There's 2 ways to check, see if a circuit's live. I never trust the circuit breakers because they can be mislabeled and who knows how badly. The old way is the particular instrument on the left, this thing here. It's called a Wigg voltage tester. It belonged to my father, and he called it a wiggy. It's only designed to test AC and DC current from 110 volts up to 600 volts. And what you do is you have a power strip here, plugged in and turned on, and I put one lead of the wiggy into the one side of the power strip. If I put the other lead in, you can see that the little thing jumps, indicating that there's electricity. If I turn the thing off, you see, and I put the probe in, you see there is no activity at all. That tells you whether the circuit's live or not. I don't know whether they make wiggies anymore. This is the only one I've ever seen, and I've never seen any others for sale. The other tool that's more common now for testing for voltage is a multimeter. That's the little red thing over here to the right. And I don't know how well you can see the readout. I've got it set for for measuring AC voltage, 200 volt maximum, and it'll also measure DC voltage and resistance and all kinds of other good stuff too. But as you can see, again, I have the test strip plugged in. I have one lead stuck into one side of the outlet, and if I stick the other lead into the other side, then at some point, there we go. I don't know whether you can see the reading again, but you can see it's reading 119.5 to 120 volts. And again, if I turn it off, it reads 0 volts. So anyway, this is how you test to make sure your circuits are live and keep from getting your hair permanently frizzed when the electricity flows through you. Hope this helps. Goodbye.